Hi team, this is another video demo for ASV. So I've also set the Ledger Live for manage subscription products. So first, I'm going to set one of my products inactive so that we could um, test purchase from this user. So right now I have 19 records there. So let's check my data first before we proceed. So let's check. So right now I have 9 transactions. So and 19 products. So my first product here, which is product 103, is inactive. And then billing, my bill method is Ledger. So my current Ledger account contains the balance of 4172.75. So let's refresh this page and check if I could check out. So this is the product that I have set to inactive, and then I will try to check out this product. So since I am using the Ledger account, I can switch to credit card. So right now my total ledger is displaying the same balance that is displayed here so far, 170.75. So let's test switching to credit card, and then um, let's test if it prompts for an error. So okay, and then so complete purchase. And then let's go back to my subscription. So while it loads, let's refresh the data of my user. So since I have switched on checkout page, my bill method should also be updated to CC. So let's check the subscription page. So my product is now set to current. So let's double check that on the DB. So my billing bill method is now set to CC, and then my CC number is still as is, which is correct. And then my product, which is the first one which I have inactivated, is now set to active one, and product status to current, so that is also correct. And then I have now 10 transactions, and my latest transaction is a CC, which is correct. So bill method CC, and then um, it is approved, and then let's ID is 1041, or let's double check that on the transaction products. So this is my transaction ID, so this is my product, and then 1003. So let's review that. So again, uh, team, since this is a product transaction, I forgot that the item ID is not considered, since that the product is being stored in the transaction products. So the one that I have saved on shopping cart purchases, so the first product I did there was 103, which is also the one in um 1003, which is also the same one as what's in the transaction products. And then I think the issue only here is that, which is not related to the ledger issue, is that it's adding too many entries with no shopping cart product ID. So this is the right one, but it's adding 16 other entries, which I'm not sure why it's added. So I need Herc for this. So anyway, let's proceed on testing our ledger. So this time, since our current bill method is CC, let's try to check out again now using ledger. So I will deactivate my product 1003 again with quantity 2. And then let's set this to inactive. So I'm going to purchase again. So let's refresh my page. So it's inactive, so I can check out. So my current bill method is CC, so that's why I can switch to ledger. So my current current ledger amount is 4172.75. So let's check out complete purchase. So since I check out through ledger, my billing should be updated to ledger. And then same thing, my shopping cart should be activated. And then what else? Um, yep, it also needs to be added to transaction products. So this is my billing, and as you see here, it has already been updated to ledger, and CC and CC expiration date are still saved as is, which is correct. My first row, which is the product that I have updated, is now active, and product status current. Transactions, so my latest transaction now, let's scroll down, is a ledger. So the amount deducted from me is 396, so minus 396, that is 3776.75. So let's refresh my ledger balance. That's also the same thing here, 3776.75. So it was deducted properly, and then it is set to approved. And let's check the product saved on my transaction. So the same thing happened. The first entry is correct. This is my shopping cart. This is a product that I have purchased, the first row, but the others are still added. But anyway, this is correct, 1003, and then quantity 2. So with regards to the ledger addition, there is no issue there. Thank you.